Okay, I want to first start off by saying hello to the viewers, and I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Firstly, I want to introduce myself. My name is David Suarez, and I'm currently a junior at HCU. The major that I'm currently in is kinesiology allied health. And if you didn't know, kinesiology is sports medicine. Why I'm in this major is because I've always been into sports and it's really been the only thing that I've been ever interested in, and I would like to do something with that. You can get into a lot of different careers with kinesiology, from a coach to a personal trainer or a physical and occupational therapist, which are the two careers that I'm very interested in. A physical therapist is someone who focuses on improving the patient's ability to move their body, while an occupational therapist focuses on improving the patient's ability to perform activities of daily living. What I hope to learn in this class is to not only speak better and more fluently, but to also use some tools from the class that I can use in my future profession, to speak better and connect and to make more connections with people. So, one of my biggest hobbies is playing soccer. The picture on the far left is a picture of me recently playing soccer on a team. And the middle picture is a picture of my parents and my baby sister. And on the right is my little brother who also plays soccer. My family is very important to me. They're my biggest supporters, and I would honestly do just about anything in order to help them. And I just want to make them proud. I want to make I want to set a good role model for my little siblings, and that's what I plan to do. Thank you.